everyone, welcome back. It is Monday, April the 20th. We have two parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have 6 rounds for max repetitions. The flow of the workout goes like this. You will work for 40 seconds, you will rest for 20 seconds, and we have 2 of those stations that compose 1 round. So, in 40 seconds, you will perform 10 V-ups, and then in the remaining time, you will do as many repetitions of a plank pull-through as possible. You will then rest 20 seconds. Following, you will do 40 seconds of 10 single-leg weighted glute bridges, followed by as many repetitions of arch rocks in the remaining time you have, then rest 20 seconds. We have 6 rounds of both of those segments. Moving on for part B today, we have 100 dumbbell snatches for time. But at the top of every minute, including the first minute, we will perform 4 burpee box jumps. There is a 12-minute time cap to this workout, so give it your best shot. See if you can finish all of those snatches in the time cap. Good luck. We're excited to hear how you did. Post your comments to our notes.